welcome back to my channel. Let's chat. Okay, today's color combination we're going to do, you can tell by the header, Ocean View. So we're going to be doing eyes today with the colors of the ocean, like turquoise, bluish color eyes. So I've already set up the face. Now we're going to start with priming the eyes. I've been getting a lot of feedback from the colors, from the eye palettes that we've been doing for the eyes. So I'm just going to keep it going for now because the feedback has been great. I appreciate everyone that has been responding, the likes, the views, the subscribers. I appreciate that. I really do. So we're going to go really big with this eye. So I'm going to bring the primer all the way up. And we're going to put it on kind of thick because we want to make sure, again, that all the colors show through nicely. Okay. So the palette that we're going to be using today is Patricia Bright. Can you see it? It got a kind of a glare on it. Patricia Bright Revolution. And let me just show you the colors. So as you can see, we have the turquoise, the blues, a little bit more blue, some more color turquoise. I think one is matte, the other one is frost. But at any rate, we're gonna make these colors work today. Alright, so I've already started to put some of the color up around the brow bone area, right under the eyebrow. The other color I would like to use in that same area, just to blend it down. I think we're going to go with just a little bit of this silver. Now we're going to line the bottom, the bottom eyelid with this turquoise. And this is by Jordana. A pencil I found in the store. The color appropriate. Let's see if we can hit that with a little bit of white first to make it stand out a little bit more. That made it stand out a whole lot more, didn't it? Wow. That's okay. That's what we want. So, in the corners, In the corners, we're going to do this, use that brush, we're going to use this brush. I'm going to use this color right here. Yeah. No, this one, I'm sorry. This one is called Rich Rich. Rich Rich on this palette. Mm-hmm. And as you can see in the crease, I hit it with just a little bit of purple. Do the same thing on this eye. Color is coming in good. I like that. See if we can blend this out just a little bit. This side as well. Clean up just a little bit. We had some residue from some of that frost fallout. It's alright, we'll clean that up real nice. And then in the outer part, we're going to do we're going to do this color right here. And then we're going to end the outer part with just a little bit of black, not a lot. So I'm going to hit it with the black first. Hit it with the black first. Yeah, coming in. Blend this side out a little bit more. Now we're going to go with this strong blue. This color right here is called Ocean Deep. How appropriate. This color right here, that's what we're going to go with. Seems to be coming through pretty good. Do the other side the same way. We're going to go back with the black. Just blend that in just a little bit more. Okay, so now we're just going to tighten up our eyebrows. Mm. And we're going to begin to line our eyes. Let me just make sure we're properly blended here. Clean up. I'm going to hit it with a little more of that blue. It's beautiful. That purple and black in the middle gives a good contrast. To the upper and the lower part. It takes a little time to get all these colors in right. But that's okay. We're going to get it right. We are going to get it right. So I'm going to go back in with just a little bit more of that black. Okay, now we're going to line the eyes. We're going to use our NYX as usual. We'll line these eyes up really nice. It looks pretty good. Do this eye the same way. Alright. Got the eyes lined. Now we'll have to put on our lashes.